Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to create email template in Outlook. So you have to go to the Outlook first, log into your Outlook account. Now you have to click on this new email, which is top left corner. Click on this new email and you can name here your email address person @gmail.com. Now you can add your subject here. Now write your body, write your mail here, mail template. Now you have to click on this option, apps. Click on apps, then you'll find here my templates. Choose my templates. Now click on continue. You can see here the plus icon template. Click on template and you have to add this in your title. You can add test template. I'm just showing you for the tutorial. You can do it. Just write your template here and write your message. Thank you. Now you can save this. Click on save and then you'll find here that a template has been created. Okay, so this is how you can create a template. If you click on this, it will be here. So this is how you can create a template in Outlook. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.